Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Yogesh Sarode of Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalaya Devgram. I heartily welcome you all in this session. Friends, in the last video, we have seen the 12 types of tense. Now, in this video, we will focus on tense part 2, that is conditional tense. These tense are also very important as far as part 1 is concerned. In this video, we will see when these tense are particularly used, what is their format, what is their sentence structure. So, there are 3 types of conditional tense. The name itself is self-explanatory. Conditional tense means tenses when there is a condition. Now, there are 3 types of conditional tenses. Number 1, open condition. Number 2, unreal condition. We can say unreal means false also, not real. And third one is unfulfilled condition. So, again I will repeat. Number 1, open condition, unreal condition, and unfulfilled conditions. Now we will see the sentence structure or which particular tense is used in these types. The first one is open condition. For example, if he studies hard, he will pass in the exam. Now see here in this sentence, you find there are 2 parts. First part contain the word if, and the second part is a complete sentence or segment. So the first part is called if clause. First part is if clause because it is having if, and the second clause is called main clause because in this segment there is a main verb, will pass. Now see the verb pattern. In open condition and in if clause, we find there is a verb studies that is in simple present tense. And in main clause, there is a verb will pass, means one of the form of auxiliary will or shall or can or may plus first form of the verb. Now see the meaning. If he studies hard, he will pass in the examination. जर तो अभ्यास करतो तर तो परीक्षेत पास होईल. व्हेरी क्लिअर, व्हेरी ओपन. जर तो अभ्यास करणार नाही तर परीक्षेत पास होण्याचा प्रश्नच येत नाही. इफ़ ही स्टडीज हार्ड, यदि वो पढ़ाई करेगा तो परीक्षा में पास होगा, नहीं पढ़ाई करेगा तो पास नहीं होगा. ओपन कंडीशन. नाउ मेनी टाइम्स in if clause, instead of simple present tense, there comes present perfect tense also. I will take the example of that. If he has invited me in his birthday party, I will go. जर त्याने मला बर्थडे पार्टीमध्ये बोलावलं असेल तर मी जाईल. बोलावलेलं नसेल तर माझा जाण्याचा प्रश्नच येत नाही. Condition is open. So in open condition, you will find in if clause there can be a simple present tense or present perfect tense. But in main clause, there is always either will or shall or can or may plus first form of the verb. This is open condition. Okay? Again, you can take an example. If he calls me, then I will go. If he does not call me, I will not go. If he gives me money, then I will return. If he does not give me money, I will not return. If he has given some amount to me, I will return. Okay. Now we will see second type of condition tense, that is unreal condition. Unreal condition means you can say not real condition, khoti at. See the example. If he studied hard, he would pass in the examination. Now here also there are two parts. First part is called if clause and second part is called main clause. If clause because there is prefix if. The sentence begins with if. And the next segment is a complete one. So that becomes main clause. Now see the verb structure. Here in unreal condition, if clause contains simple past tense, studied, and main clause takes any one verb, either would or should or could or might, plus first form of the verb, pass. Again, I will repeat the example. If he studied hard, he would pass the examination. जर त्याने अभ्यास केला असता तर तो परीक्षेत पास झालेला असता. परंतु त्याने अभ्यास केला नाही आणि म्हणून तो परीक्षेत पास झाला नाही. खोटं ठरलं. अनरियल, फाल्स. जर त्याने अभ्यास केला असता तर तो परीक्षेत पास झाला असता. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. इफ ही हॅड गिव्हन मी मनी, आय वुड रिटर्न इट. जर त्याने मला पैसे दिले असते तर मी त्याला रिटर्न केले असते. ओके. सी द बेसिक डिफरन्स बिटवीन फर्स्ट अँड धिस. इन ओपन कंडिशन, in if clause, there is either a simple present tense or present perfect tense. But here in unreal condition and in if clause, there is simple past tense. In main clause, in open condition, there was either will, shall, may or can plus V1. Here in main clause, past tense of it, that auxiliary verbs, either shall, should, would, could, might plus V1. Unreal condition, khoti at. If he studied hard, he would pass in the examination. Now third part, that is third type, that is unfulfilled condition, apurna at, adhuri at. Example. If he had studied hard, he would have passed in the examination. If clause has past perfect tense, and main clause has either would, should, could, might, any one of these, plus have, plus V3, third form of the verb. Meaning comes, if he had studied hard, he would have passed in the examination. जर त्याने अभ्यास केलेला असता तर तो नक्कीच परीक्षेत पास झालेला असता. Okay? See, the only difference is in if clause and main clause is that of here in if clause you find past perfect tense. Earlier it was a simple past tense, and here in main clause one of the verbs of auxiliary plus have plus V3. If he had invited me to party, I would have gone to him. जर त्याने मला बोलावलेलं असतं तर मी नक्कीच गेलेलो असतो, परंतु त्याने मला बोलावलेलं नाही आणि म्हणून मी गेलेलो नाही. the condition is unfulfilled. So we have seen all the three types of conditional tense. Uh, the tense part 1 is important, no doubt, but equally important is conditional types also, because many times we need to put these conditional tenses. So in particular context, you must know the situation, and accordingly you have to use the relevant tense considering its a structure. So if you make practice of these tenses in the course of time, you will get it by heart.